Welcome to Velankanni, home to one of the most revered Christian pilgrimage sites in India, the Basilica of Our Lady of Good Health. Velankanni Church, also known as the Basilica of Our Lady of Good Health, traces its origins to the 16th century when the Virgin Mary is believed to have appeared and performed miracles in the small coastal town of Velankanni, Tamil Nadu. Over time, it grew into a major pilgrimage site, attracting millions of devotees seeking healing and blessings. Located along the scenic shores of the Bay of Bengal, this stunning white neo-Gothic church attracts millions of visitors each year, regardless of faith. It is believed that the Virgin Mary appeared here multiple times during the 16th century, performing miracles and healing the sick. The knee walk at Velankanni Church is a sacred act of devotion where pilgrims walk on their knees from the church entrance to the altar, seeking blessings and offering prayers of gratitude. The Jesus statue at Velankanni Church stands as a symbol of faith and compassion, inspiring millions of pilgrims who visit the sacred site. Depicting Christ with open arms, it represents divine love and the church's message of healing and hope. It is famous for its miraculous healing and neo-Gothic architecture. The basilica's grand architecture, with its towering spires and peaceful interiors, creates a serene spiritual atmosphere. Every year, the Velankanni festival in September draws thousands of devotees from across the world, making it a vibrant center of faith and celebration. Whether you seek divine blessings or admire its rich history, Velankanni Church stands as a beacon of hope, faith, and miracles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing places around the world.